Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how can we create a private channel on the Slack app. So let's get started. Once you open the Slack, you will get this page. Now you can see an option of add channels and click on this. Create a new channel, you can see, click on this and you just have to name your channel and you just have to click on the next. Before that, you can also click on the invite external people here. So I am clicking on next. Now you can see visibility. If you keep it on private, only specific people can only be viewed or joined by invitation. So this is how you can make a private channel here. So click on create, add people if you want, otherwise skip for now. So you can see we have created our private channel. This is very beginning of the test channel. You created this today. It's private and can only be joined by invitation. So you can see this channel can be joined by invitation only. If you want to add people here, you just can click on the add. Anyone you add will be able to see all of the channel's content. So you can just add people by this. So you can also add description if you want and click on this save. So this is how we can create our private channel here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.